Hello everyone and welcome back. I have this look I want to create for you guys today, and it's using an oldie but a goodie, and it's this Maybelline Squad in Stylish Smokes, and this is 04 Charcoal Smokes. I say oldie but goodie because I had this quad for quite some time. Okay, I'm going to begin first by priming my eyelid. Excuse me. And I'm using the Wet n Wild primer because it's the only drugstore eyelid primer I own. Notice what that looks like. I have two of these. One is a shimmer like finish, and this one's a cream, like a matte, if you will. There's no shine and no shimmer to this primer. So yeah. And there you go. I did my eyebrows with the Kiss. Is this Kiss? Yes. Kiss eyebrow pencil in brunette. Okay, now I'm going to be using one shadow out of this quad. This is by Physicians Formula, and this is Canyon Classics. And that's the shadow I'll be using at this quad, the only shadow. With this Coastal Scents brush. Apply that on my brow bone. Okay, got that on. I'm going to take the quad and I'm going to be placing that taupey gray toned eyeshadow right there on my lid. So I'm just going to pat that shadow on. Now I'm going to be picking up this brush, and this is by Boutique. And I'm going to take that crease, well, it says crease, that eyeshadow right there. Place that in my crease. Now this quad came with two sponge tip applicators. I'm going to pick up one of them, and I'm going to pick up the crease color, just that one right there, and just with the tips, as you can see, picking up with the tip. I'll take that, apply right in the crease, right there. Bring it in some, and I'll do that flicking that I like to do. Flick it upwards. Grab some more of that, and bring that in the outer V. Bring that onto that taupey silvery color. So how you guys doing? Hope you guys are all doing great. Okay, now that we have that, I'm gonna be, excuse me, picking up this Wet n Wild Fergie eyeliner, and this is in Little Black Dress, excuse me. And this brush is from Liquid Liner by NYX. Liquid eyeliner, yes. I kept it because the brush is all that. And this is that Wet n Wild gel liner, black. Pick that up. And line my upper lash line with that. Hold on one sec before I forget. That silver that says brow bone. Pick it up with the other applicator. pop it in my tear duct. Yeah, because after I do the cream liner, I'm not going to be able to. Not without messing it all up. And there you go. Okay, now I can finish the cream liner. Where is it? Yeah, there it goes. Okay, now let's do this again. So yeah, certain applicators that have worked really well for me and that I liked, such as this one. Yeah, I do keep. I don't keep all of them, but like I said, if they worked well for me, I enjoyed it. Yeah, I'll keep it. Wash it off and keep it. Now for mascara, I have this Wet n Wild Mega Wear in black. Apply that to the lashes. Mascara's on. Next is the lips, and I was already wearing this lippy. This is the Rimmel Moisture Renew in Active Mauve. It's not very pigmented at all, but Moisture Renew. I don't feel like really applying lipstick today. And that's what that looks like. It's not true to color, but it's alright. It's almost like my lips, but not really. Not better. But it does feel good. So. Well, yeah, my lips, but better because it's giving me moisture. Smells good. That's another plus. It looks pretty. And that is the look for today. Nothing on the face, no foundation, no concealer, no powder, no contour. It's just the eyes and the lips. Now I like to take a clean blending brush and just blend out the crease. And that's it. It's my look using the Maybelline Stylish Smokes, charcoal smokes, excuse me. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. May God continue to bless you and everyone you love always. And until next time, God willing, may you all stay blessed, beautiful, and ciao.